Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Fonts are very important to make our website looks beautiful. So in this today's video, we are going to learn about fonts and text styling. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's create a new HTML file. Fonts.html. Get a basic HTML syntax by typing a log keyword. Now in the body, I am going to add a heading, fonts styling. After that, let's add a paragraph and get some random text using lorem. Okay, now here I am going to use internal CSS. To write internal CSS, add a style tag, and inside this we can write our CSS. So first, let's target our h1. So here I am typing h1. First, let's view this in the browser. See here, it's looking like this. Now I want to change the font style of our heading. So to do that, get back to Visual Studio Code, and in CSS, we have a property called font family to change the font style. Add font family here. And you can see here, we have lots of font style. So I am setting it to cursive. Get back to browser. You can see here the font style of our heading is changed. Now let's change the font style of our paragraph. So first, target paragraph tag. And then inside this curly braces, add font family property. And this time, I am setting its value to fantasy. Get back to browser. The font of our paragraph is changed. Now focus here. These fonts are web safe fonts. What is web safe fonts? So web safe fonts means those fonts who already installed in our browser or our local machine. That is web safe fonts. But what if I want to import some other fonts? So to do that, we need to import fonts from the internet. So let's do that. So open your browser and go to Google Fonts. So you can find here lots of fonts. Choose a font of your choice. I am selecting this font. Click on it. And then select its size. So I am selecting this regular 400. Select. And then we need to copy this link tag. Copy it and paste it in our head tag. Perfect. Now we need to apply this font family to our element. Copy it, go back to Visual Studio Code, and now I want to apply this font family to our paragraph. So just paste it here, get back to browser. Yeah, now see here, we have successfully applied a fonts from Google Fonts. So this font is coming from Google Fonts. To confirm it, let's comment these link tags. Now see here, our font is removed. Undo this. Yeah, now you can see our applied font. Let's see some more font properties. Now let's change the font size of paragraph. To change the font size, add font size property, and I am setting its value to 30 pixels. Get back to browser. Yeah, see here, the font size is increased now. Let's see one more property, font weight, and I am setting its value to bold. So this property is used to make text bolder. You can see here, now our paragraph is looking bold. We can also change the font style using font style property. Let's add it. Font style, and we have lots of font style. So I am setting it to italic. Get back to browser. Our paragraph font style is changed to italic. Now the heading size is looking very small. Let's increase it. Font size and setting its value to 50 pixel. Get back to browser. Yeah. Now it's looking fine. So I hope you understood this video. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.